In the world of cuisine, every culture has its own iconic dish. Think of pizza in Italy, sushi in Japan, the beloved burger in the United States, or the poutine in Canada. Today we embark on a culinary adventure through the Balkans, exploring the fascinating history and flavors of what might be Europe's greatest burger, also known as the pljeskavica. Let's dive in. The name pljeskavica originates from the word pljesak, meaning to clap or to clap hands. This motion represents the method of flattening the meat into thin, large medallions, also a common method of discipline in the Balkans till this day. While the precise origin is unclear, it's believed that the Ottoman Empire brought this preparation method to the Balkans during their rule. However, early civilizations like the Assyrians and Persians had similar traditions, resulting in a multitude of regional recipes like cutlet and the legendary kebabs. But pljeskavica's rise to popularity occurred in the 19th century, capturing the hearts and palates of former Yugoslavia, a nation that existed from 1918 to 1992 before war broke out and splitting into several independent countries. During this transition, the affordability, accessibility, and use of local ingredients made it a staple for both urban and rural populations. Its adaptability allowed for regional variations. Today there are several of them, but one of the most famous is the spicier Leskovac pljeskavica, named after the town of Leskovac in southern Serbia. Every year since 1989, they are host to an extraordinary 6-day event that has become a significant cultural milestone in the region. Locals and visitors from across the Balkans and beyond converge on Leskovac to partake in this grand celebration of pljeskavica. At the heart of the festival, culinary enthusiasts and skilled grill masters take center stage. What makes this festival truly remarkable is the awe-inspiring attempt to create giant pljeskavica patties that tip the scales at over 100 pounds each. It's a culinary spectacle like no other. Let's take a look at how spectacular it is. Next time I have trouble flipping an egg, I'll think about this video. But as you can see, the atmosphere is charged with excitement as these talented chefs and grill aficionados demonstrate their expertise in an effort to break records year after year. The sizzle of giant pljeskavica patties on open flames is a mesmerizing sight, true testament to the artistry and tradition of Balkan grilling. In 2007, the preparation method of pljeskavica was granted a protected designation of origin, also known as a PDO. This recognition highlights the historical and cultural significance of this dish and ensures its traditional preparation. Other foods with this type of flex are Parmesan Reggiano from Italy, feta cheese from Greece, and bubbly from France. USA and Canada have similar designations called GIs for things like Napa Valley wine, Idaho potatoes, or maple syrup in Canada. Unfortunately, the poutine doesn't have one. At first glance, it looks like a bigger and flatter version of your typical burger, but what truly sets it apart is a combination of high quality meat, including beef, its baby veal, lamb, and pork. They literally tried cramming every animal they had locally available into this patty. You then mix in a blend of spices and a soft smoked cheese like Edam, and you have the pljeskavica. And just like pizza has innovations like Neapolitan, the deep dish, and pizza pockets, pljeskavica comes in different shapes, sizes, and ingredients depending on the regions. You can enjoy it on the plate as is, but it's traditionally served in a soft flatbread called alepinja, lathered in a homemade buttery cream cheese called kajmak, and a roasted pepper spread called ivar, along with some chopped onions. In case you didn't notice, the J is pronounced as a Y in the Slavic language. For the best experience, you pair this with a cold one or some rakia, which is a homemade brandy, and you truly experience the rich flavors of the Balkans. The variation I'm making today is called the gurmanska pljeskavica, which simply means gourmet, and it is commonly made by mixing beef, lamb, and bacon together with a soft cheese. Other ones include the shar, which is stuffed with cheese rather than having it mixed in directly. As you can see, however, the possibilities are literally endless. And you don't have to look far to experience this mighty burger for yourself. Patty has spread its meat across the world. There's many restaurants from Australia to Canada and the USA, each offering their own unique takes on pljeskavica. From family-owned diners to upscale eateries, like the Rakia Bar in South Beach, Miami, you can savor the flavors of the Balkans while soaking up the sun. So whether you're a seasoned pljeskavica enthusiast or embarking on your first culinary adventure, you're sure to find a delicious and authentic experience just around the corner. Every Balkan restaurant in your city must have a pljeskavica or else. 10 points from Gryffindor. Now I'm going to do a little taste test and rate it from 1 to 10.
pljeskavica, mućkalica, bela vešalica.
I'm gonna give this an 8.5 out of 10, mainly because I've tried so many pljeskavicas before, and I've tried some really good ones. But the combination of the beef, the lamb, and the bacon is just so nice together. The onions give it a nice crunch, and the toasted lepina bun just keeps everything nicely together. And the paprika and spices just lift it up even more. It's truly one of my favorite burgers for sure. I'm also a lover of the classic American burger, but if you had to put a gun to my head, I really don't know. It might have to be the pljeskavica, but I guess it depends on the day of the week. However, I definitely recommend you give it a try, at least once in your life. Well, I hope this quick journey through its history has deepened your appreciation for this Balkan treasure, a culinary masterpiece, and a taste of the Balkans that connects us to a rich and flavorful heritage. The recipe I made in the video was inspired by Almazan Kitchen. I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, thank you for watching. Please let me know if you like history and food. I really enjoy making these kind of videos and will be looking to post more frequent and longer videos in the coming weeks. Please leave a like and subscribe and let me know what else I should make. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you soon.